In this video, we will analyze and see step by step what we can do in order to be eligible for the Iota airdrop. If you think that the other day I suggested you by chance to be part in my Telegram group, think twice, because we had a super urgent airdrop that day that I couldn't share it with you because it was expiring within a few hours. But if you were in my Telegram group, you wouldn't have missed that airdrop. So more on that later in the video, stick around. This is George from Crypto Elite, and on this channel I focus on teaching people about crypto related stuff without the nonsense. So let's continue the airdrop mania season. As we can see, Iota launches Shimmer pre-production environment for developers, which is this one. And this is actually kind of like the Kusama for Polkadot. It does exactly the same job, but feeless, without fees. So the airdrop of Iota is this. They are launching this Shimmer token, SMR, and they require from you to stake Iota tokens in order to get Shimmer tokens back. And the analogy of how many tokens you will get back is in every 10 seconds you get one SMR back for one Iota that you stake. And that could be done up to 90 days if you stake. So the less amount of time you stake, the less amount of tokens you collect. So the more you stake, the more you earn. The SMR is the ticker of the token here. But in order to stake those tokens, you have to install, actually I will put the link in the description, as of where to find the wallet. This is the page. And so this is the wallet. I have installed it already, actually. And this is how it looks like. Actually, it is very nice and clean looking and very well designed. So here what you will do is this. You send Iota tokens here from possibly your Binance, I would suggest in this case, because the other exchanges that they have Iota are like very small. So send those here, and from here you click stake when you receive them. And there is another website here where you can estimate how much you can make. This is the actual website, the official website. For example, let's say you stake 200 MI, which is like more or less of $200 for 90 days. If you click calculate, you would make a pile of SMR tokens, which is so much. And I'm guessing at that point that the price of SMR will start very low, but this airdrop will be one of the biggest ones, something like $400 million. And as you can see, yeah, and if you lost the Uniswap airdrop, this is your chance. If you lost Didex airdrop, this is also your chance, because this is a competitor of Kusama and Polkadot, so it won't be a toy. It is a serious project. The token hasn't launched yet of Shimmer, and here this is the airdrop that I earlier mentioned that you missed it, because you know, it was expiring in the same day, so we only had a few hours left to connect, and what we had to do is this: connect our wallet and nothing else, and you will receive NFTs as airdrop. So if you don't want to miss another one like this, please make sure you join my Telegram group. I won't leave it open forever, of course, because I don't want every scammer to be here, or, you know, random people from right and left. I only want genuine people here to join me, to help them and create the community even bigger than that. So that's it for today. Make sure you leave a token of appreciation if you like the video, and also if you like it, you can subscribe, of course, in order to see more videos like this. And I am signing off. That was it for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Take care.